What's up, guys? Hang on. What's up, guys? C-Rex here with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making a, what is this? Mini-map.
Please.
Minigame. And
Yes.
that's a dirty word. I gotta pick which one. I don't know which one, Diesel. I'ma pick Sky Wars, because Sky Wars is actually pretty fun. No Sky Wars? Spleef? Okay, I guess we'll do Spleef. Sure. Alright. But I'm gonna show you guys. I did do the mines. Those two are done now. But, wait, where'd he go? I just see him fly. Oh, wait, he's down here. I see it. Whoa! I was just falling to y'all. I see you. Alright. So far, we've got black wool, so let me just get out my black wool. Alright. What do I do with the black wool? Diesel!
What?
What do I do with the black wool?
Copy my pattern.
Copy it? How am I supposed to copy it?
Copy what I did on that side.
What?
Are you done?
Dude, this is so freaking confusing. 1, 2. And then we got another. Wait. I gotta do the 1, 2. What are you doing? Dude!
Ta-da!
Alright then. I guess we made a circle. I think that's what this is. Yes, it's a circle. It's a circle of life. No, I'm kidding. Ow, dude, my finger really freaking hurts. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, that hurt. I don't know what I did. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Hang on. Alright, so what happened? Why are my fingers hurting? It's because I was clicking the one trigger so much, my finger's swollen now. So it really hurts. But I'm gonna eat some cereal real quick while
Have it here, video.
this cereal's bomb, bro. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, it's strawberry. That's really freaking good. Diesel actually went to go get some cereal too. I think I made him hungry. But we'll be back after we're both done eating, probably. Alright. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you, this is part 3. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of fast forwarding here as I'm building, so y'all can see. What's up, guys? Yeah. I think this is after I just did fast speed or whatever. But we're just finishing this building up. There's gonna be 2 layers of the snow, and then under that layer of snow, that's underneath of this one, there is water. And I think water, yeah. And I think if you fall into the water, you lose or something.
Hey, I'm sorry, I know how to play. You don't.
I don't know how to play this game because I've never heard of it.
I'll be playing for you.
Whoa, what the heck?
Okay, ready? Hold on.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Alright, getting diamond shovels.
How many diamond shovels do we put in each?
Every one of these chests needs to help us.
To be full?
Yeah, have to be full.
Oh, Diesel.
Who is it? Oh, it's Johnny. Just wait there, don't move, alright?
What you doing?
Doing a minigame in a server.
And it's like your new prison now.
You literally doing that. Dude, I better not have 2 chests for 3 years. That's not.
What?
Dude, I have 3 chests that 47 years.
Oh, who has you that?
Well, they're all full.
Yeah, no, it's open. There we go, got sleep done. Dad, do you want to have a test?
No, hold on. Alright, but this is going to be the end because I don't want to make this video that long right now. Because we're probably going to test it and I want that to be a separate video for y'all. So let me put this video together real quick and I'll put this back in my files. Wait, not yet, Diesel, no. No, wait a minute. Diesel, no, not yet. Wait for it. Alright. But, bye guys, I'll see you in the next gaming, or probably we're gonna do a fight, or whatever it's called. But, yeah guys.
Sleep.
Bye.